speed videos and the general surgery that the app has covered is just amazing, sir. It is more than the content that is available out there, sir. I went through the speed video. Once I did it at the normal speed, and then I did it at a higher speed. And once you see those videos, then you just have to see the slides, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Vijay Manohar for making all of us proud for scoring AML rank 1 in MCh Renal Transplant Surgery. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It's an honor to meet you, sir. This has all been a dream, sir. To just sit in front of you to talk to you, sir.
Pleasure is mine. So great, doctor, and sparing your valuable time. And we want to know your detailed background from where you started until date, what all you have done.
Sir, I did my MBBS from Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences in Ranchi, sir. And then I did my post-graduation in DNB General Surgery from Jaipur Golden Hospital, New Delhi, sir. There was where I got interested in renal transplant surgery, sir, and that is where after which I started to pursue in renal transplant surgery, sir. And last year also I gave this exam, sir, but and I joined the department. But this time I got a rank, sir.
Okay. So I believe there's only how many seats are there?
There's just one seat, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh my God, one seat, one rank. What is this? How is it possible? How you conceived this idea to get rank number one? I mean, how is it possible? Because the risk is very high.
The risk was very high, the stakes were very high, sir. And I could only get the seat if I got rank one. So there was no other option than to give it all, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, how are you able to come to that mindset? Because people generally say, "Hey, only one seat is there. People are competing. How would I get it? So let us try my other options also." Did you try other options also other than this?
Before I was looking at other options, sir, but later on, then I was just fixated that I just wanted to do this branch, sir. Even if getting MCH or not MCH, I would have done this branch, sir, this renal transplant surgery. So with that mindset, when you just give everything to the exam, sir, you start doing everything, you work very hard, and then you just wait for the result. You don't expect anything. Yes, sir.
Only one seat, only first rank, and there's no other option. Only
Yes,
work
sir.
for it and get it.
Amazing, sir. Amazing.
Very
Yes.
good. You are amazing. I'm not amazing. I'm just
No, sir. All of this is just
I'm just consolidating what you have done. I've just summarized. Huh?
Thank you
Very
so much, sir.
So how many years have been trying this?
I gave the last year exam, sir, and this session. So for the last 1 year, I have been trying for this exam. So this is my second attempt in this exam. Yes, sir.
Okay, so before the exam, do you have a feel that I'll get rank number one?
I had a feeling, sir, that I would get rank one, sir. Like, and I had thought only way to get this seat was to get rank one, sir. And I had never got rank one in any of my exams, sir.
So far
So
in life.
yeah, throughout my life, sir, I was never the topper. But then the only way to get this seat was to go through rank one, sir. So
So after you gave the exam, did you feel you'll get rank number one?
Sir, that was very dicey, sir. After giving the exam, I was just speculating all the answers. I wasn't sure, but like deep down, you had this feeling that if I get ranked, that would be so nice, sir. It would be so amazing. Yes, sir.
So before the results are announced, you know that results announced, you're going to type in the login, your this thing, ID password, to go and see search your online result. What was that feel that point of time when you're searching? Okay.
Sir, I did not believe the rank, and it just showed the roll number. I was just checking my roll number with my admit card, sir. Is it me only or not? Is it me? Is the date correct? Whatever it is, it's unbelievable, sir.
So the minute you said, okay, fine, this is me. Okay, this is my number. It's done.
I got it checked through all of my friends, sir. After that, I sent it to my parents, just check it. And when they said that it's fine, then I said, okay, okay, this is not a dream.
So then, how are you able to connect it? So before the exam, you're preparing for rank one. During the exam, rank one, and after the exam, also you're a little dicey, but not very sure, not very happen or not. But after it has happened, how are you able to connect all these dots? So what do you feel now?
All of those is just, sir, you have to keep patience at it, sir. Once you are patient about it and you're working in that direction, then definitely someday or the other you would get the results, sir. I was just patient and I wanted to do this branch only. And to get this branch, to get MCH in this, it just feels like everything was written for today. Yes, sir.
So this is a very good case study, huh? See, only one rank is there. There is a first rank. Then I just work towards it and I get it. That's nothing else. No distraction. Not even two, three, four, five. Nothing. No distraction in this. Very simple. Very clean. So amazing. Very good. You are too good. I think you will do a perfect anastomosis. Renal artery, renal artery. Only this artery, this artery. Do it. Pakka.
Yes, sir.
Very, very precise. I need to do. Okay, anything, any extra supernumerary, anything, I just do exact to that only.
Oh my, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It's been such an honor. It's been the more getting rank one more better is just to talk to you, sir. I would see
No, this
all
is an
the
add-on.
interviews with everybody, but this is more honoring than anything, sir. Just to just to have a conversation with you, sir. Amazing.
I'm really enjoying it. I'm just feeling what you felt actually. I'm just see what kind of an achievement. Really happy.
Yes, sir.
So let us tell me something about the preparation. How one should prepare for a renal transplant surgery.
So there are two parts to it, sir. One is the general surgery part. For the general surgery part, I think the speed videos and the general surgery that the app has covered is just amazing, sir. It is more than the content that is available out there. And for that, I did the speed video, sir. I went through the speed video. Once I did it at the normal speed, and then I did it at a higher speed. And once you see those videos, then you just have to see the slides, sir. Once then only then you have to see the slides. Once you see the slides, you will get to understand what was the concept behind it. So after doing that, the general surgery part was cleared, sir, which is a major chunk in the
How many questions they ask of 80 questions in renal transplant surgery paper? How many general surgery questions are there?
They ask, they 30 questions they ask out of 80 questions. 35 questions are from general surgery. So that is a major chunk and deciding factor, sir. For the renal transplant surgery, sir, there is this book, Danovich, sir. And once you go through it, majority part of it will be covered and they ask questions from there only, sir.
Wow.
Mhm.
So now,
Yes, sir.
will you be interested to teach students for renal transplant? The only one seat, can we conduct a course for one seat, one student?
Definitely, sir. Definitely. If any chance to work with you is just an honor for me, sir. Definitely, sir. Hmm.
Because we'll see one, but that one is what is going to make the huge difference. Because that one, that Vijay Manohar, will we end up in doing thousands and lakhs of renal transplants in his career. That one, how it transforms into reality in patient's care is what is amazing is all about that one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir. All this journey has not been my alone, sir. I would like to thank a few people, sir. Can I
please,
just take a minute, sir?
kindly go ahead, please. This is for you. This interview is for you. It's all about you.
So, sir, at first I would like to thank my guru, sir, Dr. S.P. Gupta, sir, Dr. Girijadar Sharma, sir, and Dr. Subodh Gupta, sir. And next, my guide, sir, my father figure, a father to me, sir, Dr. B.K. Singh, sir. He's been all the motivation, sir, all the guidance that he has given me, sir, is just immense. And apart from that, the Department of General Surgery at Jaipur Golden Hospital, sir. with Dr. PC Prasad sir, Dr. Kapil Sethi sir, Dr. Nipash Kakkar sir, Rajesh Sharma sir, RN Mittal sir, Harshit Patel sir, everybody sir, my friends Rakshit, Prerna, Deepak Boss, Ajay, all of them have been vital sir. Arpit, Prerna, Apurva, uh, Ayushi, all of you guys have been just amazing, sir. My teachers in urology, sir, Dr. Ashok Gupta, sir, Dr. Prashant Pradhan, sir. My favorite, Dr. Anish Gupta, sir. So all of these people are behind my success, sir. This is
Very nice that you acknowledge everybody. And all
yes, sir.
will feel very happy. And I believe that your gratitude is what is making you more successful. That's what I believe.
Yes,
What
sir.
I could see because very nice award. I mean, very nice of you to appreciate all their contributions to your growth. That's very, very important in life that you are doing it. So I'm very, very happy for you. And can you share something on about the number of questions you answered in this paper?
I just left one question, sir, and I answered around 79 questions. I answered, sir. So mostly what I was told, sir, you just have to, out of four options, you eliminate. If you are able to eliminate two options, then you have to go for that. But if you get a question which you have no idea about, then just leave that question. So, apart from that one question, I attempted all the questions, sir. The ones in which I was able to eliminate two options, I had to attempt it, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Doctor, what is the message that you want to give for the future aspirants of MCH renal transplant surgery? People who want to do MCH renal transplant, what they should look at?
Sir, MCH renal transplant surgery is a branch that is going to evolve in the next few years, sir. And the department at PGI, sir, offers everything in renal transplant surgery, sir. You get to see the pre-op, intra-op, post-op part, everything, sir. So if you want to do renal transplant surgery, this place is just the heaven for you, sir. You can learn so much from it. It's up to you how much you can learn, and just make your name, sir. Yes.
Great. So wonderful, doctor, talking to you. It was a great Monday morning to talk to you on your success. I'm very, very happy.
Thank you so much, sir.
Entire team of Speed again wishes you all the very best and all the success for and to have to accomplish a great renal transplant surgery in making and in future. Best wishes to you, wholehearted wishes to you, and
Thank you, sir.
very, very happy for you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much,
All
sir.
the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.